Hello, everyone. I am Associate Professor Kende Komodi. I'm the Director of International Engagement at the University of Putisastra. I'm also a researcher with over 280 publications, and as a researcher, I've noticed that a lot of researchers across the world end up publishing in fake journals, and this is a huge loss for researchers across the world. As a result, I want to make every one of us aware on how to identify fake journals. So, first of all, I first say with emphasis, beware of fake journals. How can you check if a journal is indexed in Scopus? Because why I mention this is that a lot of researchers they publish in journals that portray themselves to be indexed in Scopus. And why is Scopus important? Scopus is so important because in academic promotions in several universities across the world, publishing in Scopus is a key factor for promotion. Some universities will say you must have a percentage of your publications in Scopus database, indexed in Scopus database. So it's a very, very important issue that shouldn't be overlooked. And why is it important to check if a journal is indexed in Scopus? Because it's first of all to avoid you being a victim of academic scam. Because checking the website of a journal to check if it is indexed in Scopus is not enough, because some journals they do lie that they are indexed in Scopus, whereas indeed they are not indexed in Scopus. And some they might be indexed in Scopus before, but they've lost their indexing and they failed to update their website. And a researcher can publish there and eventually the paper gets accepted but not indexed in Scopus because they've lost their indexing. So it's very, very important. You check the current information on on a website, which I will show you in my next slide. And also the essence of checking is to get proper reward for your scholarly work. If you get your work published in Scopus, you you get a proper reward for your scholarly work, because Scopus is a very notable database that is recognized across the world and is a key factor for getting professorial promotion. So, how can I do the check? By visiting Schemago Journal and Country Ranking website. So, I will now show you the website now and how to do the search. So, when you search for Schemago Journal and Country Rank, maybe I should first start with a Google search so that it makes it easy. Schemago Journal and Country Rank. Yes, that's it is loading. Yeah, then we go here. So enter journal title, ISSN or publisher name. So if you want to know if a journal or a publisher is indexed in Scopus, if you type publisher name, it will most likely list the journals. But the if you type the journal title, is very easy. Now let me type this journal now. Let's say, yeah, let me think. Let's say Earth Science Report or plus one, for instance, plus one. You see, plus one. You click on it, then it's indexed in Scopus. It's currently indexed. So it has an H index of 435. And if you want to know the Q ranking, you scroll down. These are the metrics concerning the journal. You see, it is a Q1 journal and is multidisciplinary. In Q1, in the subject area is multidisciplinary subject area and is ranked Q1. So that's how to find out if a journal is indexed in Scopus. That's for example plus one. Now, some journals, because some fake journals, they use names of high, high income countries. Meanwhile, they are not really indexed in Scopus, and just to deceive researchers, especially early career researchers. So once you know the name of the journal, you type it here in schema, go journal and country rank. If it is there, it will pop up. If it is not there, it will show that not found. So for instance, let's type, let's say, I want to suggest a journal now. Let's say, yeah, sorry. Let's try, yeah. Okay, let's just search a journal online. Maybe that would be better. Journal in mathematics. Yes. Okay. So it may be difficult to get it from here. So let's just search a journal. Let's say, yes. Let's say quarantine journal. I don't want to use a particular name, just so that it will not be as if I'm mentioning a journal that is not indexed in Scopus specifically. So I just want to suggest a name. Let's say quarantine journal of physics. Sorry, no results were found. So that's how it will appear if the journal is not there. And if there are journals that share similar names, they will list them, but it will not be the precise name. Yeah, thanks for watching.